Recession-proof business credit building benefits. The world has changed. Right now, business owners are more concerned and informed than ever before. Many are unsure of what to do. It's a time to wonder about how to get the capital you need to grow and survive. But you can. Business credit building is the answer. Business credit is credit under a company's EIN. It is not associated with an owner's social security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Scores can diverge dramatically. Credit is in the business name. It is based on the business's ability to pay and not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner. And the business owner isn't personally liable for the credit the business gets. One great benefit is that you can create a barrier between business and personal assets. Separate business credit from your personal. Create a barrier so personal assets can't be touched. This is even if your business goes into receivership. Just because your company goes bankrupt doesn't mean you have to as well. This is vital in an economic downturn. A terrific benefit of business credit is you will save your personal credit utilization rate. Save personal credit for personal expenses. Using personal cards to pay business expenses will hurt utilization rate. Utilization rate equals the amount of credit used divided by your total available credit. Keep this percentage at 30% or less. Handling business expenses with personal credit will make this nearly impossible. A fantastic benefit is you will be ready in case times get even tougher. Prepare in case the recession deepens, even into a depression. If you have to make payroll or equipment payments or cover rent, you will need business credit to get by. By establishing business credit before you actually need it, you are far more likely to get better terms or even credit at all. One wonderful benefit of business credit is you can get business credit before you need it. Establish a credit history before you really need to tap it. Credit history is one of the components CRAs use to calculate business credit score. The longer and better a credit history, the better a business's credit score will be. When you consider what credit score is needed for a business loan, then you will need every last positive item you can get. Starting early can only help you. You get a real benefit from business credit when it comes to the IRS. If you have an EIN, then you've told the IRS that your business is credible and not just a hobby. As a result, the IRS is already treating you and your small business separately when it comes to tax liability. So if you're still floating interest-free loans to your business with your personal credit cards, then now is the time to stop that for good. Let's recap. Business credit means personal credit is untouched. Utilization rate stays low. There are no inquiries on personal credit. Building business credit before you need makes it easier and faster to get. Payment history and credit history matter. So build business credit the right way. Start by establishing business fundability. Get your DUNS and EIN and set your business entity up with the IRS. Start with vendor credit and move on to store credit. Then move to fleet credit and more universal credit. Contact us today to learn more about recession-proof business credit building benefits.